Hey guys, this is VK and today's topic is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry is used to locate a point or an object in a plane. Now, let's draw two perpendicular lines. This is the horizontal one and this is the vertical one. Now, this horizontal line which I drew is known as the x-axis, and this is denoted by x at the right side and x dash as the left side. And the this vertical line is known as the y-axis. The y-axis, positive y-axis is denoted by y and the negative y-axis is denoted by y dash. Now, the intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is this, and this is known as the origin. It is denoted by O or 0, 0. Now, if you go to the right side from the origin through the x-axis, this is the x-coordinate. And the x-coordinate in the right side of the x-axis is always positive. And the x-axis this left side is always negative. This is the same applied to y-axis. If you go in the upwards direction through the y-axis, it is always positive, and if you go to the downwards direction, it is always negative. This is known as a Cartesian plane, and Cartesian plane is always divided into 4 quadrants. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, and this is the fourth quadrant. Now, if you got clarified from this, any point located in this Cartesian plane is represented by x, y, and this x is the x coordinate and this y is the y coordinate. Now in the first quadrant, x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is also positive as it goes in the positive direction. In the second quadrant, x is negative and y is positive. And in the third quadrant, x is negative and y quadrant is also negative. In the fourth quadrant, y is negative whereas x is positive. Now, we got clear about the basics. Now, let's go through some examples that I am going to give in a real graph. This is a graph, and first example is point A and is located in -2, 3. So, this is the x-axis, x coordinate, and this is the y coordinate, and -2. So we need to go 2 units in the negative x-axis direction. So mark this point, and y-axis we need to go upwards in 3 units, 1, 2 and 3. Mark this one, and the intersection point is this one. So mark this as A, -2, 3. And second example will be B is equals to 4, 2. 4 is the x coordinate and 2 is the y coordinate. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the positive x-axis direction, and 4, this is 2, 1 and 2. The intersection point B, this 4, 2. And C is -3, -3. You are going to represent this in the third quadrant because these both are negative, -3 and -3. -3 in the negative x-axis direction 3 units, and in the negative y-axis direction 3 units. The intersection point is C. Mark it as C, and the coordinates are -3, -3. And last but not least, D, plus +4 and -2. +4 in the positive x-axis direction 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the negative direction 1 and 2. So this is D. Mark it as D, 4, -2. Now we've learned about the basics in the coordinate geometry. We'll go a brief in the next part, so please subscribe if you want more videos by me.